So you're welcome to my Healthy You series, okay, or wellness series. In this series, I'm going to be sharing videos of what I take in the morning. That's my morning routine, like fruits, like vegetables, smoothies, juices that I take that will help me to glow from inside. It's easy for people to glow with chemicals on the body, but when you eat healthy, when you eat well, you nourish yourself, then you are able to flourish outside. So in my own saying in my kitchen, I say nourish to flourish. So this is my healthy series. I'll be bringing that up on my peel of TV here. Do well to subscribe and do well to stay glued. I'm getting my fruits, okay, washed because I'm making sweet water for a healthy, hydrated you all throughout the day. So my fruit, I had to wash with vinegar. You can use, some people use baking powder. You can use sauce. Just make sure that you wash it thoroughly because you are not peeling off the skin, except you want to peel off the skin. But if you are going to incorporate into your water, you have to make sure you wash it properly to get rid of any germs on the body, and make sure that your fruit is also good so that you don't incorporate what will harm you while you eat it or while you drink it. Okay, so after that was done, I had to cut my fruit, or you slice it just the way you want. Okay, in this water, I am adding my peppermint, that's a fresh mint leaf. I'm adding my green grape. I'm adding my green cucumber. Okay, cucumber is green, of course. I'm adding my apple. All right, this is just basically all that I'm going to use. I have made a video before. You can only use just a cucumber, you are good to go. And of course, I had to add my ginger. All right, if you want, you can add garlic, whatever you prefer. Some people go ahead. I have made also one that I use clove. You can use lemon, you can use whatever that suits you. This is lime. I used lime in this one. Previous ones I can use lemon. Okay, so all I do is just to get them incorporated. And my water, you can use spring water, whichever water that you drink, that is good. That's what you are allowed to infuse into this goodness. Trust me, this water is so refreshing. If you are watching your weight, you don't want to eat too much during the day, take this water and you will feel so full. Trust me, I'm telling you from experience, you will feel so full after taking the water. Each time you just take a cup, you feel like you've just eaten food. If you've watched to this point, you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe, like the video for me, and please stay glued. Turn on the notification bell so that when I upload videos, you'll be notified. Okay, I appreciate you guys for all the massive love, for the support. I really do appreciate. Please do well to like the video. Skipping does not help it. Okay, so while that one is infused for the whole day, I just had to make the one I will drink. But mind you, first thing in the morning, I have taken a glass of lemon water. Like I said in my previous video, you can check it out, and it helps me going. I have seen a tremendous change. I told us in my last video that I'm watching my belly fat after giving birth, and this is helping me drastically. You also have to watch the portions that you eat, and trust me, before the end of 31 days, you will thank yourself. Even my arms can testify. Like the video, please do it to subscribe and share out. This is worth sharing to people, especially to mommies who are on the journey of losing weight after giving birth, because we know it takes a toll on us. So please do well to share this video out. I would really appreciate. Leave me a comment what you think. What do you think should be removed? What do you think should be added? Why this? If the water finish, just go ahead and pour more water. Drink it throughout the day. Some people leave it overnight to infuse in the fridge, so you can also do that to use it the next day, but just that the water will have a bitter taste because of the lemon that is inside, or the lime. I appreciate you. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye. Stay healthy, please.